Hello, my name is Cook. Welcome to my channel, Cook Can Cook. Today I'm going to teach you how to make coconut cookie. I hope you will enjoy it and learn from me. This is my own ingredient. Các mặt lâu guys cooking plain flour, desiccated coconut, baking powder, bicarb soda, mix together and then stir. And then sugar, lard, and egg. Mix them together in soft dough. Soft dough like this, and then just wait until then divide into a small 16-piece circle. Divide into 12, 14, fold it up and then press with your hand. Just circle like that and then press like this and make sure you just use your hand and put and done. Again, just if you're too wet, just put tiny bit of plain flour and press like that. Make it spreading well a bit so when it's cooking over it will be expanding a bit. You can make the cookie bigger if you want to or just smaller. Up to you what size you want to eat and to make it into. Then you can put this in to oven for 15 minutes until golden brown. Now put in the oven, middle self, for 15 minutes. Wait until golden brown. After 15 minutes, just turn the oven off. Press it and open the fan and the cookie is ready. Look how beautiful they are. Right, come over here, show you how to do. This is the cookie come out of oven, and then come out of oven is very soft and not crispy at the moment because so hot. Because it's hot, so you have to wait a bit, few minutes before it cool down before you eat it, right? Burn your tongue. The cookie is very soft for beginning, but wait until it's cold. It's very crispy. This is really soft, very chewy, but when cold, it's very crispy and yummy. I hope you like to watch my video and learn to how to cook coconut cookie, which I love to enjoy cooking it, and very tasty. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.